Welcome back! In this video, we're going to learn how to set up work schedules in the system. You'll find this option in the configuration module. Just search for work schedule, and you'll see the application right there. Now, why do we need work schedules? There are a few reasons. First, it helps us enroll employees into proper schedules so the system knows when they're supposed to report to work. Second, we can create schedules that are linked directly to projects. And third, these schedules can also be used for customer sites where services or projects are delivered. Basically, once created, these schedules can be assigned to employees, projects, or even different operating units. Let's go ahead and create one together. We'll start with a schedule ID. Let's call it Standard Office Shift. Then, we'll choose the type. You can pick morning, afternoon, night, or day. For now, we'll go with day shift. Next, let's give it a name, say Office Staff Schedule. Now, set the timing. Our shift starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 5:30 p.m. Here's the key part, the category. If you want the schedule to be used for projects or employee assignments, you need to select Week Schedule. We'll cover shift patterns in another video, so we'll stick with Week Schedule for now. Once that's done, you can add a short description or some notes, then hit Next. The system will automatically create a default weekly schedule. For example, Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. But you don't have to keep it that way. You can make changes as needed. Maybe your team doesn't work on Saturdays. No problem. Just mark Saturday as a weekly off. That way, both Saturday and Sunday are off days. Or maybe Fridays have shorter hours. You can set the end time to 3:30 p.m. instead of 5:30 p.m. This flexibility makes it easy to match schedules with real working conditions. And once it's ready, you can assign the schedule to employees, projects, or operating units, wherever it applies. That's it for this video. In the next one, we'll show you how to create shift patterns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next session.